Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bean enchiladas, full guide. Begin by preheating the oven to 375 degrees F and warming tortillas so they stay pliable. Mash beans with spices, add cheese, and spoon filling into each tortilla. Roll tightly and place seam down in a baking dish. Pour enchilada sauce over the top and sprinkle more cheese. Bake until bubbly and golden, then rest before serving and enjoy. Start by prepping ingredients so the assembly flows smoothly and stress-free. Rinse and mash 2 cups of beans, then stir in spices, lime juice, and a splash of olive oil for brightness. Grate a cup of cheese and chop any onions or peppers you want to include. Warm tortillas on a skillet for a few seconds each side to make them flexible before filling and rolling. Assemble enchiladas on a lightly greased dish, spooning filling evenly into each warm tortilla and rolling snugly. Pour a generous cup of enchilada sauce over the filled tortillas, then add extra cheese for a golden top. Bake at a steady 375 degrees F for about 20 to 25 minutes until everything bubbles and smells inviting. Let them rest 5 minutes so the sauce settles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.